going to draw an Atlantic Puffin. Start by drawing the eye first. So before we begin, this one is not even a step-by-step video, so be free to press harder and as you follow along. Start by drawing a circle here, but we're going to do the eye first. After that, add this circle here, and then make a curve here. After that, add a curve, and then go up, and then go down, okay, it's not the eye, and then after that, do these parts here. After that, add this diagonal line and then go down. And then add this line here. After that, add those eyelids here. And then make some more lines as details. Then after that, add this and then go down. It's okay if you made a mistake. You just gotta erase it and do it again. Then go down. Then add this curve here. After that, make this curve right here, and then add this curve here, and then go here. Then after that, add this curve here as you go up to make the bill. And then make this curve here. And then go down. And then go here. After that, make this line curve going down, and then make a curve, and then go here. Then go here again. Now add some lines here. Add some lines for more detail. Okay, and next we have to make the curve right here until it reaches to the head. And then go up. And then there. After that, make this line going right here. And then after that, add a curve going right here. And then add a curve here. Add this thing here, and then go down. Add some more lines. Going here. Okay, after that, add some more lines as detail. After that, add this curve here. After that, add this tiny circle as a guide for the pupil, and then shade in this eye. After that, add this curve right here. And then add this gray thing right here as we shade here. Make sure there's no white or else it would be too messy. And then until here for its design. Then after that, add this part here. Add this thing shady here under its chin. Then go here. Okay, and then after that, shade in this part by adding a curve. And doing this. Then erase this part. Keep shading until you're happy with the result, even in the belly. Okay, and also shade in here in the head. And that's it for the Atlantic Puffin. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. But before we finish, let's add some more here. Okay then, and I'll see you later in the next video.